in case you don't know this before, your most powerful tool in trading is your trend. Okay, you need to know the trend of the market before you can jump into any trade. So I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, your trend, we'll be looking at your trend is the key to success, to successful long trade in boom and crash. Okay, there is no doubt about it, this is the most powerful tool in trading. Okay, once you know the direction of the market, then you are in to make good profits with this. Okay, and I'm going to explain some facts to you in today's video and to show you how you can identify this and take full advantage of this. Okay, just sit tight, have your notepad with you and your pen, and watch this video to the end, and make sure you jot down some of the vital points I will be dishing out in today's video so that you can apply them in your daily trading. Okay, but first, like I always tell you, always make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before going to your real account. Okay, if you are new on this platform, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to show you, to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. So feel free to browse to my channel. I have over 100 videos here. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Just make sure you understand everything that you are watching there. Practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying it out with your real account. This is very, very important. The most important aspect of these training videos is for you to make some profit for yourself. So make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you go to your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you have any question about my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will also be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to the Telegram channel, then you are missing a lot. Kindly do so now. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on notification bell beside it, and set the notification to all notification. When you do that, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. Okay, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video like this, so that you can get first-hand information about any of the strategies I'm dishing on this channel. Okay, so that is how to go about it. Okay, so let's quickly check out what is happening in the market to see what we should look out for today. Okay, I'm starting with boom 1000 using the signal indicator. Okay, as you can see, boom 1000 shows that the indicator has helped us to identify that the market is on uptrend, and you can see this a number of times. Okay, you can see after this, it has been on a long trend for a very long time, but as you can see, it got to this support level, spiked up, got here, there again, here, spiked up, got there again, and spiked up, and this time around it got there and went back. Actually, it consolidated around here just to make sure the direction of the market is very clear. Okay, right now it got cleared and it started spiking up on the blue line, which is the uptrend line. Okay, when the line of the signal indicator is blue, it shows that the market is on uptrend, and you should trade the uptrend at that particular time, which is the buy signal at that particular time. So if you are the type that don't know how to trade the spikes, then stay away from the market till the market will get to we reverse back to a downtrend. Of course, it has gotten to a resistance level and tested it again. We are likely to experience a downtrend any moment from now if this support level is broken. Okay, if it is broken, then it should come down to this level before we see another spike happening. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000 using the crusher indicator. Presently crash 1000 is also on uptrend. You can see our buy signal here, and we can see our entry point here. This actually gave us 70 candles, and already, as you can see, we got our exit arrow here. So the exit arrow came out first, so you should exit the market around here. Okay, even though most of the resistance have been broken on this time frame, so you need to check the upper time frame, higher time frame, to know where the next resistance is. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with boom 500. Using the QDC scraper indicator, we have nothing much to say because it is very glaring. It is on uptrend, just the way you are seeing it. It is on uptrend. We got our uptrend arrow here, and it has been spiking since then, so it is on uptrend. So let's check out what is happening with crash 500 using the NT indicator. You can see it has been on downtrend since here, and there is a little reversal in between, but it is more of downtrend than uptrend. As you can see, it is still going down, and if you should check it out, we are likely to have a reversal in this price action when the price gets to this level. Okay, so that is the way it works. I will be stopping here with the analysis. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen if you have any question about this video or any of my videos, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. So let's go back into what we have for today, which is your trend is the key to successful long trade in boom and crash. Okay, this is true. In short, it is far more than true. Okay, the issue is, the reason is, once you are sure of the exact trend of the market, then you are good to go. Even when you go into a trade and you see red immediately, you are rest assured that it will definitely get you back to your take profit at the end of the day, because the trend, you are already in the right trend. The market can only play around within this region till you get to your take profit. That is, if you set a reasonable take profit for yourself. Okay, so these are some vital things you need to look out for. So I'm going to go to the trading platform now to highlight some things for you. So let's quickly do that so that you will understand how to go about it. If you should look at this, let me start with this indicator. If you should look at this, you can see that it's got to a resistance, a support level here, and it was unable to break it, and it gave us a bullish engulfing candle here, so which means that you should be getting ready for a buy trend. And as you can see, it went on a buy for a very long time. These are 1 hour candles, okay, and this is 13 hours, which means that you can be on a buy trend for good 13 hours. So let's quickly check this out. I want to use this indicator to analyze some of these things to you so that you will understand how it works. Okay, I'm using the QDC scraper indicator right now. Okay, you can see me doing some technical analysis here. These are some of the things you can do on your own, even without using any of these custom made indicators. That is, if you know how to do your TA very well. But if you don't know how to do it very well, then you need indicators like this to help you with your analysis. Okay, so let me quickly explain some things to you. Okay, of all the setup here, probably let me delete everything here so that you will see it clearly. Okay, of all the setup here, what you should look at is the trend. Okay, it is the most vital aspect of it, because once you are in the right trend, whatever signal you pick that is in support of the trend, then you are good to go. Even if the market goes against you for a while, you will definitely get back to your profit level. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame. I just want to show you a few things. As you can see, when the market, this is the indicator for the general trend of the market. When the indicator shows red, it shows that the market was on downtrend there. But check it out, when you get a sell signal here, as you can see, it also went for a very long time. Can you see? It went for a very long time. Can you imagine being in the market for 29 hours? Okay, for 29 hours, it's amazing, isn't it? That is more than one day. But check it out, I want you to look at something. Okay, let's say you decide to come in here and it is going down and going down. This is some things that you guys don't really understand. At the time, someone will call me and tell me that it shows me downtrend, but it is still spiking in between. Of course, it will spike. The reason is you don't expect it to be going down throughout the day. Okay, and if it is an uptrend, you don't expect it to be going up throughout without reversing a bit. Okay, that is very, very vital, despite the fact that it is on a downtrend and it has been creating bearish candles all the way from here, as you can see. But if you should check it out, this candle is not full, this is not also full, it is having wick up and down. Okay, the same thing is applicable to this. Those areas that you are having your wicks are the areas whereby the market was trying to reverse a bit. Okay, but check out this. You can see this is a bullish candle. It shows that the market went back up at this particular level, and within this hour the market went back up a bit. The same thing is applicable to this, and the same thing is applicable to this. But despite the fact that they are going back up, it is still going, giving us more of downtrend than uptrend. Okay, so they were going back up but still going down till it got to this level. Okay, so which means that even if the market is on downtrend, it does not mean that there won't be a little push up a bit. Okay, even if it's a bit or for a few seconds, there will still be a little push up. So this is what you should have in your head. Okay, because you are trading, let's say you are trading boom and you are selling at that particular time, and all of a sudden you saw spike happening and the trend is still telling you that the market is still on downtrend. You will be surprised, why is spike now happening around here? Of course it will happen because whatever goes up will surely come down. Okay, so you don't expect it to be going in one direction for a very long time or throughout the trend. If it is as easy as that, then it is no longer called trade. Okay, we just need to be realistic with ourselves. We need to be realistic with ourselves. It is no longer called trade because it will be very easy for you to just determine the direction of the market and just go straight. Once you know the trend, you just go straight and you won't see the market going against you until the trend is changing. Then that is not trading. Okay, because as you are selling, someone is buying, and as you are buying, someone is selling. So you don't expect the market to go in one direction for long. Of course it will be going in that direction, but there will be little reversal in between, and that is what is happening here, as you can see. But at the end of the day, if you should check it, if you had come in here, if you had come in on this candle and you are exiting on this blue candle, then you should be in profit. Okay, you should be in profit. So that is the way it works. It is as easy as that. So this is for our selling. Let's say we are buying. Like I always tell you, you should follow the trend. Okay, if the trend is saying that the market is on uptrend, follow the signal that supports the trend. It is as simple as that. The reason is the signal that supports the trend, in most cases, they are always stronger than the signal that are against the trend. Okay, I'm not saying the signal that are against the trend cannot also go for long. Of course, you can see in some cases there are some signals that went for long. The trend was on uptrend here, but check out this sell signal. It also went for a very long time. This actually happened for 15 hours. It went for a very long time, but if you are patient enough, you will get a better signal, a buy signal that can go for more that can go for longer hours than that. This is 23 hours, almost 24 hours, which is amazing. And in some other cases, check out this. this is a signal that also went against the trend. But if you should check it out, it is just a single candle for 1 hour. If you had been trading these on a lower time frame, you will be surprised that probably you will see a signal that will go against the trend for 1 minute or 2 minutes. If you had jumped in following the signal, then you are likely to lose your money at that particular time, because you won't know when the market will reverse suddenly, and this happens within seconds, and you will be caught up in the market and you can be there for a very long time. Can you imagine? Let's say this is 1 minute time frame and you decide to come in here, and the market just went like this and started going up, came back a bit again, started going up. You've already picked up a sell order and it keeps on going up and up. Can you imagine that it never got back to the level where you got into the market to sell again? Of course, it would still go back to that level, but it will take a very long period before it get back. You will have to wait for the trend to change over to downtrend totally before you can make your profit back, and that can take weeks, it can take days. It depends, and that is even if your capital is strong enough to hold it till that level. So that is why I always advise you. I'm not saying you shouldn't follow the signals, okay, most especially on the main chart, which are the arrows, the red arrow and the blue arrows. No, they are very, very vital in trading, but you need to consider the trend also. This is the trend. Sorry about that. This is the trend. It makes it easy for us to identify the trend of the market. Now right now it is green. All I need to do is just to pick up, to follow the signal that supports this. And what is the signal that supports this green? They are the blue arrows. Okay, I just come in here and trade till I get to my exit arrow, which is the red arrow. I close my trade, I wait for another blue signal. Okay, I come in here again and I trade till I get to the red arrow. I exit my trade, then I wait for another blue signal. I do that over and over and over and over again, just the way you are seeing it, and I'll keep on making my money till I am okay with what I have made. Okay, that is how simple this is. Okay, I want you to watch this video over and over again till you are able to identify all these areas that I have highlighted in this video. Okay, I want you to have it set up on your this setup on your demo account. Now practice with it for a full day. Dedicate a full day for it. You only want to, you can set it up on crash 1000, crash 500, boom 1000, boom 500. All you want to look out for is to follow the arrow that supports the current trend around there. Okay, that is all you want to look out for. Once you see it, once you see the arrow that support, for instance, this arrow pop out and it is on green, and all I just need to do is just to pick on buy and leave it like that. Go to boom. If I see a red arrow and the trend is also red, I pick on a sell arrow and I leave it like that. Do that throughout the day. I'll see if you can pick as many as possible. If you can place so many orders using that, then at the end of the day, try to see what you will achieve at the end of the day. Try to see what you will achieve at the end of the day. With that, you will be able to say if this strategy really works for you or not. Okay, and that way you will be able to ask some questions that are disturbing you. Probably you're not clear with some of these terms that I have used here. Then you can ask your question, or probably you saw something different while practicing it. Then you can ask your question. Then I will be able to put you through on how to go about it. Remember, it is always good when you practice. It is when you practice that you will be able to perfect your skills. Okay, so in case you need to watch this video over and over again, kindly do so till you are able to perfect it. Okay, so this is Very, very important. And remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Okay, I will be dropping all these in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.